Gusto ko ng gloss and color and stain and hydration in one. So now, I'm introducing Colorette's newest lip product, Jelly Kiss. And today, let's talk about this product kasi medyo matagal ko na siyang gini-gatekeep sa inyo. Pero hindi ko masagot kung ano siya. Let's go. Kung mapapansin nyo, it's very cushiony but it doesn't feel thick. Miss Nina, it looks like every other glossy lip tint out in the market right now. What makes it special? What makes it innovative? Like, we can't see it. Just you wait. Mag-antay tayo ng 1 to 2 minutes, guys. And tingnan nyo kung paano siya magbabago. Okay?
A few inches later.
Ayan, nakikita nyo. Ano ang innovation? It gets jellier over time, guys. So, kung kanina nakita nyo, ngayon, ayan na yung shine niya. There really is a glassy, jelly-like shine. And then, it settles into this bolder color ng konti. Very, very light lang. True to hue pa din siya, pero bolder yung color. Ayan, nakikita nyo, very glossier, mirror-like shine siya. And then, it settles into this bolder, more saturated, more vibrant color. Super pack. Perfect for those with two-tone lips, dark lips. Talagang it's made for Filipinas, guys. Ginawa natin to para sa atin. And then, it's not sticky. And if you wanna go bolder, like gusto mo mas dark pa ng konti, you can actually build it up. Diba? Very pack. Very hydrating also yung feel niya. At ang kinaganda pa ni Jelly Kiss, hindi pa ako natatapos, wait, there's more. If I remove it, kunyari, salita ako ng salita, inom ako ng inom, dinidilaan ko yung lips ko, I remove, ayan, it leaves a transfer-resistant stain behind. Kahit ilang kiss pen. So, talagang long-wearing si Jelly Kiss kasi kahit na matanggal na yung pagiging jelly niya, mamaya meron siyang transfer-resistant stain na hindi na matatanggal that stays with you. So, ready na ba tayo? Jelly Kiss has 8 shades, guys. 8 to. And super-duper excited ako kasi wala na akong ibang nire-reach out ngayon kundi si Jelly Kiss. Especially because ngayon, gusto ko ng gloss and color and stain and hydration in one. Gusto ko lahat yon in one and nakukuha ko yung benefits na yon from Jelly Kiss. Let me know in the comments kung may questions kayo, sagutin natin yan.